Say there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. Saw her bathing on the roof, the beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair. From your lips she drew an hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe I've been here before, I know this room and I've walked this floor. Used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Your love is not a victory march, it's a cold, it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? Remember when I moved into you, the holy dove he was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, and all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. It's not a cry you hear at night, it's not someone who has seen the light. It's a cold, it's a broken